Hey guys, and I am gonna, I am making a new group. Um, so I am making a new group for my YouTube channel, and yeah, the group Sports Guys. So if you're a sports lover, you wanna join, just click on the Sports Guys on the bottom of the page, and we'll go from there. So yeah, so you can check that out. Yeah, so if you like basketball, football, baseball, soccer, football, basketball, any sport that you really want, softball, really anything, kickball. If you're a lover of any sports, like NASCAR or something, like anything that's related to sports, you're welcome to join. So yeah, see you guys later, and I hope you guys will join my club, and I'll see you guys later.